In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix the issue when a promo code isn't being applied to your Uber Eats app. Now, I know how frustrating it can be to find that perfect discount only to see it vanish into thin air when you're ready to check out. But don't worry. Today, we'll look at some effective steps to troubleshoot this pesky problem. First, let's start by checking the promo code itself. It's crucial to ensure that the code you've entered is still valid and hasn't expired. These codes often have a limited time frame for use, or they might only work for specific meals or restaurants. Grab a quick look at the terms and conditions associated with the code to make sure it fits the order you're placing. If everything checks out and the code seems fine yet it's still not being applied, here's the next step. Go ahead and make sure you're entering the promo code exactly as it's shown. Uber Eats codes are case sensitive, so even a small typo can make it invalid. An easy way to avoid errors is to copy the code from wherever you found it and then paste it directly into the app's promo field. This will help eliminate any accidental mistakes. Next, let's take a look at the Uber Eats app itself. Sometimes glitches can occur, so a simple restart of the app might do the trick. Close the app completely and then open it again. This can reset any temporary errors that might be preventing the promo code from being accepted. Once you've relaunched the app, try entering the code again. If restarting the app doesn't solve the issue, check your app's version. An outdated version might have bugs or compatibility issues. Head over to your device's app store and see if an update for the Uber Eats app is available. If there is, download and install it. Once updated, open the app and re-enter your promo code to see if it works now. Still having trouble? It's time to verify if your account is eligible for the promotion. Some promos are only available for new users or those who've not made an order in a long time. If you don't fall under these categories, the promo code might not apply. Double-check the eligibility criteria on the promo to see if you're in the clear. Finally, if none of these steps work, it might be time to reach out to Uber Eats support. You can contact them through the app or their website. Make sure to provide all details about the promo code and your order so they can assist you more effectively. And there you have it. By following these steps, you should be able to fix issues with promo codes not applying on the Uber Eats app. Enjoy your meal and the discount you've worked hard to get. Thanks for watching and happy dining.